Welcome again to this training video. Next item in the list, question 33, which says place the image J8 prod in cell B. Let's see, where is cell B? Cell B is going to be here. So small, but it's there. If I can take you back to this, which is A. So the top one is A, B, D, and F will be, this is B, this is D, and this is F. And we're going to I believe, place three images there. So the first one is going to be J8 prod.jpg. I'm going to go insert, picture from file, and J8 prod.jpg. I have got to go to my website, the website I'm on. Okay, and this is the one I'm dealing with now. Be very careful in following the one that you're working with. This is why I gave it a name, so I know which one it is. J8 prod.jpg, it's gonna go there. Click OK. This is that picture. Next one, it will be J8 hist. Insert picture from file, J8 hist. First one. Okay. Next is J8 tel. Again, we're just repeating. Nothing really complicated here. J8 tel.jpg. Click OK. All right. Make sure that the whole of each image is visible. Well, it is visible, visible, and visible. Next. Place the image J8 movie.jpg in cell J. And cell J, if you know, cell J is there. So I'm going to go insert, picture, J8 movie. Click OK. It's there. Now it says set the width of the image to 400 pixels and the height to 50. That's this one. Horizontally, and align this page in the center of the cell. To align it in the center of the cell, I click center. It's in the center of the cell. And I'm going to change the size of it. Right click, and I will choose picture properties, appearance, and they want it to be 400 by 50. They said nothing about the aspect ratio, so I gotta untick the aspect ratio to do whatever I want. This is gonna be 400 by 50. I click OK, and it's there. Okay. They said nothing about the aspect ratio, so I'm free to do whatever I want. Otherwise, I won't be able to make it 450 in the same thing. Horizontally align, done. Make sure the whole image is visible. Again, that is done. Now, place the contents of each menu as a table below the table created at step 28. So it's going to be just there to create the menu. Now, this might sound complicated, but I'm going to close this file. Just go to this file, j8menu.html, which is here. J8 menu. This is already done for you. You just have to select this, and it's actually a table. Copy this, move over there, and then just paste it. Okay, done. Set the text within the table to style H2. So I'm going to go to each one of those, and it's going to be H2. So I go to my code, and I go here and I make it H2. And this has to be H2 as well. Everything has to be H2. This is so boring, I know, but you have to do it, and I have to go actually through it just to show you that you have to do each and every one of them. There's no other way around this. How you choose to do it is up to you, but you have to do it. You go back and it looks like this. Okay, set the cell padding for the table to 6. They're talking about this table, not the other one. There are two tables. There is one and there's one. This is the one we're dealing with now. Right click, table properties. Cell padding again is 6. I think cell spacing is 6 again. And the width to 100, so specify is going to be % 100. It's already there. Set the table border to 2. So it's going to be right under it, so it looks like a menu. Okay, set the table border to this. Fine. Create a hyperlink for the menu, item history, and the text company history in cell E to point to the file J8, which should be open in a new window called. Now, a little bit of trick stuff here. Hyperlink to the menu item history. Menu item history, which is this. And the text company history in cell E to point to the file. So two things will be pointing to the same file, which should open in a new window called underscore history. Now note that the web page which you have linked to is not yet complete, which is fine. So right click on history, hyperlink. It's J8C hist target frame is going to be new window, and it's going to be called underscore history. That's the first one. We did this. Now we have to do the other one, which is company history again. Right click, hyperlink, repeat the same process. New target frame, a new window, and it's called history. Okay, and I have to choose the same file name. Okay, both of them link to the same one. Note that that web page we're linking to is not finished. Okay, all right. I will take a break and come back with anchor stuff.